What's up, guys? We back with another one. Sorry, I've been posting how I usually post. I've been super busy. If you guys want to see what I do when I don't post, just go to my Instagram, Rob's Customs. I do a lot of other stuff that it's kind of small, but I do a lot of stuff like headlights, color match headlights, custom headlights, a bunch of other little stuff here and there, some painting here. You can check it out on my Instagram, but we're back with the sunroof installs. Let's check it out. We got the Dodge Ram in from Texas, Amarillo. Sunroof install, brand new. Starlights, 550 starlights, and then we're gonna be blacking out all his plastics. Black suede. We're almost ready to cut it out. Alright guys, sunroof is in. Everything is powerful. We got the power for the starlights right there hanging down. Finishing up the starlights now. Black suede. We're gonna go ahead and install everything in, plug in the box for the starlights, and we should be almost done. Alright guys, we got the headliner installed. We still have to cut out all the strands and then cut out the hole for the sunroof. Just a little look of how it looks like before I cut the hole out, and then I wrap that with the trim of the sunroof, and we'll cut all the strands out. Alright guys, install's done. Sunroof install, black suede, starlights, all the way from Texas. Sunday morning. Saturday we just did that one from Texas, sunroof and starlights. Next day we got another GMC local step side, actually Chevy step side here from Albuquerque. Basic sunroof install, black suede, blacking out the top parts. He wants to keep his top console, so we'll move that back. Let's check it out. Another one in. Chevy. We're prepping the inside for cutting, and we got the stencil on top. Let me go ahead and cut all that out, and then we'll put the sunroof in, see what it looks like. Alright guys, check it out. The liner's done. I'm about to put it in the right. Alright guys, the install's done. 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Not bad. Clean install. Check it out.